Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video we're going to factor perfect square trinomials and factor difference of square problems. Okay, so this first one we've got x squared plus 8x plus 16. So if we look up here, the perfect square trinomial pattern is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b squared. So if we want to check to make sure that this is a perfect square trinomial, we'd say, well, a squared, that's got to equal the first term, x squared. So we'll take the square root of both sides, and we get a equals x. Okay, so b squared, well, that's going to be the last term. That's going to be 16. We'll take the square root of both sides, and we'll get b equals 4. 2ab equals 2 times x times 4 equals 8x. So this middle term is 2ab. So this fits the pattern. So remember, a perfect square trinomial will factor into the form a plus b squared. So this simply factors into x plus 4 squared. Okay, now this next one, x squared minus 121. Both x squared and 121 are perfect squares, so it fits the difference of squares pattern. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So we're going to take the square root of x squared. That equals x. And if we take the square root of 121, that equals 11. So this factors into x plus 11 times x minus 11. And that's it. That's the difference of squares pattern. Okay, let's look at the next one. We've got 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. So if we're thinking this is a squared, square root of 16x squared, that's going to be 4x. And if we think this is b squared, well, the square root of 9 is 3. So we want to see, is the middle term 2 times 4x times 3? Well, 2 times 4x is 8x, times 3 is 24x. So, yes. Let's do it in a green color. Yes. This is a perfect square trinomial, so it's going to factor into a plus b squared. So 4x, fix that. It's not the neatest 4. So 4x plus 3 squared. And that's our solution right here. Okay, let's look at this next one. We're going to factor 100x squared minus 49. So this looks like a difference of squares. So if I take the square root of 100x squared, that's going to equal 10x. And if I take the square root of 49, that's going to equal 7. So this is going to factor to 10x plus 7 times 10x minus 7. So there you go. That's the factored form. Okay, number 5. We're running out of paper here. We're looking at 25x squared minus 40x plus 16. So if I think a squared is 25x squared, I take the square root of that, I'm going to get 5x. If I think 16 is b squared, well, the square root of that is 4. 2 times 5x times 4 is 10x times 4 is 40x. But we could take the the square root of 16, it could be negative 4. I have to make it negative because we want to get negative 40. So that is going to mean that we're going to have 5x plus minus 4 squared, or 5x minus 4 squared for our factored form. All right, so that's that one. Last one looks like a difference of squares. So I'll take the square root of 81x squared. That's going to be 9x. I'll take the square root of 25. That's going to be 5. So this is going to factor to 9x plus 5 times 9x minus 5. Fix the parentheses here. Okay, so that's my factored form for this last one. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe.